Let's talk figs. Figs are shrub growing and reach to the heights of 6.5 to 16.5 feet tall. They're native to the Mediterranean basin and require warm climate to ripen. When ripe, figs should be eaten fresh or dry. Benefits of figs include their laxative qualities, they are easy to digest, and figs also treat constipation. Dried figs have softening properties and can be used to treat colds, bronchitis, whooping cough, and pneumonia. External uses of figs include a decoction, which is excellent for gargling against sore throat irritations, coughs, hoarseness, and painful inflammation of the gums or cheeks. A hot fig on a dental abscess also encourages its maturation. To relieve chest ailments, fig syrup can be made with 3 to 3.5 ounces of dried fig